So if you've been following along with me for the past few months, or let's say year or two, you would know that I have this thing with hearts. I just love them. So this year I'm going to do a puff pastry heart. So we've got 2 sheets of puff pastry, got some chocolate chips in the middle of them, roll it up, give it a little slit down the center, and form it into a heart. Bake it for 15 minutes and you end up with a really delicious pastry, perfect to be shared with your special someone on Valentine's Day morning. So here you go, a puff pastry heart with chocolate chips for your Valentine's Day morning. There you go, a very simple breakfast pastry to be made with store-bought puff pastry, mind you. Don't go crazy making puff pastry. This is one of those ingredients you can find really good quality ones at your grocery store. So use the store-bought stuff, sprinkle in those chocolate chips, anything else you want to flavor it with. I'd like to say happy Valentine's Day. I hope it's a good one.